Baby Jogger City Select, the stroller that grows with your family, from a single to a double, even a triple with glider board for your big kid. City Select also accepts a pram or an infant car seat for over 16 different riding options. City Select folds easily and compactly. It's the stroller designed for comfort with multiple recline positions and an adjustable footwell for comfort and fit. City Select has all-terrain wheels for a smoother ride, a telescoping handlebar that adjusts to your height, an extended sun canopy with UV 50+ protection and peekaboo window, and a flip-flop friendly hand-operated parking brake that keeps controls close. Customize your ride with accessories, like a second seat kit that holds a child up to 45 pounds, car seat adapters to easily create a travel system, and other convenient accessories, such as a parent console, child's tray, and more at babyjogger.com. Baby Jogger City Select.